Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing TownePlace Suites Joliet South. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly and a non-smoking rooms. This hotel, located 2 miles from Splash Station Water Park, offers spacious guest rooms with modern furnishings. It features an indoor pool and a well-equipped fitness center. A dining area and a 32-inch, flat-screen cable TV is included with all accommodation of TownePlace Suites Joliet South. The fully equipped kitchens offer a stovetop, a dishwasher and cutlery. A freshly prepared continental breakfast is served daily. For light snacks and refreshments, TownePlace Suites Joliet South provides a snack bar and vending machines. Chicagoland Speedway is a 15-minute drive from the hotel. Joliet South TownePlace Suites offers free public parking. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.